Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. See here I have reserved a board. Actually this one is graphic board. So this one is Intel. So exact issue what it will be. Let me check. I am connecting the DC jack. So what will be the DC? See 008 amps. Now I am going to start the power button. See that is here is the power button. When I press the power button, what it will do? It will come up to 0.240. Sometimes it will come we will get the display to 41. Okay, it means it has graphics issue. So that's the reason sometimes display will come and blue screen error also will come. So that's the reason we got this board here. He tried maximum, he made some heat also here, then also there is no use, so that's why I reserved this board. Okay, anyway, complete story of this to UMA of this particular motherboard. What it is, the motherboard name is, see, model number, the very famous motherboard HK5, it means MBX 269 something it will come. So complete model I will show you, just a minute. Where it is? Yeah, here it is. The complete model number is revision F DA0HK5 MB6F0 MBX 269. See, in this Quanta DA0, we have to leave it. Only 3 digit. After this 0, HK5 is there, no? That we have to count. Especially in Quanta series. Okay, now I will explain through the schematic, then you come to know. Now what I will do, I am going to YouTube channel and I will search the dis to UMA conversion topic. Okay, HK5 dis to UMA. Okay, I will search this. What I will get? See, I will get this one MBX 269 graphics conversion. And here also Sony Via, this is only images, this is very useful. So this one I am opening this. See, just you check what it is. Here it's showing us what the changes we have to do. Right, see, just one here add C330U. Why? I don't know. If I come forward, here something has given. What is that? Red is add, yellow is remove. This one I need to remove, this one remove, this one I need to add. Okay, I will come forward. So again, so many things are there. See, move R25 to R23, R19 to R18, something. So here, the resistance, some resistance, resistors we have to move, and some capacitors or some resistors we have to remove. Here it's a move. So remove, move. Okay, next what we have to do? Here replace, shift. Here add, outside. Here see something we need to add. All the actually why we need to add and why we need to remove. See, the main thing is full knowledge we have to gain, right? So just what he done maximum number of help to us in meeting. This will just won't learn and it will be very difficult to connect the topics particular properly. So this is very useful one. But behind that, one more secret I want to tell you. These are they have given, right? So how those people knows with these changes you have to do. That secret I am going to reveal today. Okay, so I will take the schematic and I will explain you. See, here is the schematic. Okay, this is the schematic. So the main thing is we need to convert from dis to UMA, right? So first we need to identify where is the UMA and where is the dis. Okay, so what are the changes we have to do in this particular schematic? We need to search. As per the schematic, we have to do the changes. Okay, what this guy has given here, the changes, that practically how you have to do, Means theoretical knowledge you should gain, right? Then only you have to do the practical. Simply blindly if you do this, definitely it won't work out. Again the same board will come, again you have to check this particular video and you have to do. No, not like that. That is actually very useful, but behind that you should gain knowledge. That's why I'm going to explain you a secret of this particular kind of videos. Okay, see, now I'll show you one more also. In one more video what it told. See, this one also told we have to change lot of the things. See, in this
आज हम लोग के पास सोनी का MBX 269 भी बोला जाता है और ये ग्राफिक्स में बोर्ड है। इसको नॉन ग्राफिक्स करना आपको बताते हैं कैसे किया जाता है। करना होगा, रिमूव करने के बाद यहाँ फैट होगा, फैट को रिमूव करना है। यहाँ पे
see is telling to remove those things. This is also very useful thing, but the thing is why we need to remove this. So why he has the knowledge of this. Okay, see one more what is going to tell.
कर चुके हैं,
Remove this chip
निकालना है,
and after that
निकालने हैं। यहाँ पे जितने भी यहाँ पे कंपोनेंट होगा ट्रांजिस्टर, इसको भी निकालना है। यहाँ पे कोई भी कंपोनेंट को एक बार दोबारा से प्रॉपर चेक कर लीजिएगा, प्रॉपर लगा होना चाहिए। और
so after proper checking
ये दोनों रेजिस्टेंस को रिमूव करने के बाद यहाँ पे 3 रेजिस्टेंस होंगे, तीनों को रिमूव करना है।
see why we need to remove those things, that clearly I am going to explain you. Please make note of this. This is very important thing. Okay, so when you open the schematic, here only you come to know almost 90% you can gain the knowledge by this, by seeing the first image. Okay, how I'll tell you. First and second only will get the full knowledge. See, now I opened this is the black diagram of this particular motherboard. Okay, what it has given, first you need to observe. See here, RAM, IV bridge, AMD, here is the PCH, right? So what thing we need to observe is, first we need to do the graphic conversion, right, from disk to UMA. This means what? External graphics. Okay, this one is external graphics. What? AMD. Okay, AMD is the external graphics and these are the memory. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. But we need to convert from year to year. We need to remove this and we need to convert the path to year. What are the path we need to change? See, one is directly PCH communicating with the AMD graphics, not Intel graphics. Intel only processing and giving to the PCH, that's it. But internal graphics is not touching to the PCH. That thing we need to add to Intel. See, here AMD, this is external graphics. So what are the things as connected? Here is the Intel CRT. Intel LVDS means it's internal, not Intel, it's internal CRT, internal LVDS, internal HDMI. Where it has connected? It has connected to the external graphics. Okay, what are the things? CRT, LVDS, HDMI. The main intention of doing the conversion is we need to remove this, and these three we need to connect to Intel graphics. Okay, that is the concept here. How we have to do? See, this is the first thing you need to observe. Here you have to disconnect and you have to connect to Intel graphics. Means this one is external and this one is internal. What are the internal part are there? That again I'm telling you need to connect to the Intel. Okay, that is the concept. So here is the one big clue. And second clue is here, you know very well what are the things, all the page number they have given here. But here one more information you can get it. It's very small one. Please read carefully. Here star means no mount, means it's not there. E at, see, this is very important. E at for this GFX only. What is it is? GFX only. See, this E is for GFX only, external GFX only. So I at for Intel GFX only, internal or Intel GFX only. Okay, for this GFX only E at, and I at is for internal GFX only. The main concept of the conversion is we need to remove these components. First thing, if we remove, we can disconnect this one. If we removed, it will be disconnected. Okay, the first thing. Second thing is, for I, what are the components won't be there. See, in usually if you have the graphics, then these components won't be there because of this component. What are the graphics related connections will be there? No, that one will be connected to the GFX. Means this to this. What we have to do? We have to place the components. What are the connected in this GFX? Those components we have to remove it and we have to connect to Intel. So the main thing is this one we need to check. Okay, first thing I will explain you, this one you need to copy and search. Okay, what are those things and what we have to do. So see, 616 are there. Okay, instead of that we will search this one. That's very complicated, right, to search. So okay, that also we can get it easily, but here paste I add. Oh, this also very more are there, 116. Okay, anyway, one by one I will show you what are those things. See, now first thing is I am going to search this one. Okay, anyway, behind that one more thing you have to check. One thing is UMA. Whenever you are converting the graphics, there you have to search the UMA. UMA, if I search, what are those things you will get? See, discrete and UMA. This is the first thing. The main thing is board ID or DGPU present. DGPU means graphics. Graphics present we need to change. Okay. See, here is the 3 volts graphics. This one is called high and this one is called low. Here for discrete stuff means it should be there. 277 or 277 should be present. Here you can see E at. If you search E at, you will get this part also. Okay. If you search I at, you will get this part also. Right. So now no stuff or 277 pull high. No stuff means here should not be there. No stuff. 277. Here are 275 stuff. Here should be there and here for discrete it should not be there. This is the first part. Okay, you need to check what you search UMA and here you will get this part. Okay, next what you will get in UMA? Here something they have given. Here are temperature things. See which one? R208. Here for discrete 34.59 K you have to use, and here for R208 you need to replace this with 27.89 other UMA. Next, same thing it has given. Here also they have given same information. See, PCBA SKU, discrete or UMA. Okay, next what we have to search? We have to search this one. What is that? Here E at and I at. I at has given, no? That one we will copy and search maximum. Okay, copy here, paste. So now we'll start from beginning. See, this is the beginning one. So next it has come. See, here is the very important information I'm giving you. Here what it has? I at 100 ohms. See, here in graphics board it won't be there. Okay, in that case this is a GFX thing. So that's why in that case I at 100 ohms you have to put. Here also you have to put, means you have to solder it. Take 100 ohms resistor and you have to solder it. And next what it is there, one minute, here nearby, because that is for VCC AXG sense should be there, which sense this graphics is IV bridge. See, this one is IV bridge. So what we are going to do, we are removing the AMD and we are connecting this IV bridge. Okay. So next here, see these capacitors you need to add. What are the I has given? No, see in this what is that, in video also you have seen. Here you need to add some capacitors and some resistors. So the same thing I'm telling you. See C404, these capacitors you need to add. Okay, many i's over, and here E at has given. See E at, in case if it is present, you need to remove this one. Okay, because this one directly it getting ground. What it is? See, it is here. It has given VCC GFX. This IV bridge, entire IV bridge is going to ground. So that's why. So you need to. This is 0 ohms resistor. See, you need to remove this. Because E at, what I told you, no, E at, and here what are the E at are there, that we will check once. See here one more, this one we need to put it, star is there, if it is not there you have to put. And one more, anything is there here, E at, the sense we need to check, sense line, see sense line here, sense line 100 ohms. See VCC core, here you need to put, but here just a minute, it's, if it is a present then it's okay, if it is absent you need to put it here. So then if you come to this, here some sense are there, here 168 and 378, here also you have to take care. Okay, next what we have to do is we need to search. See all I we already told you. See these capacitors, these all capacitors you need to put, because this one is HDMI. Okay, this is for HDMI. I told you, no, HDMI, CRT and LVDS we need to separate it. So next, just a minute, here see this is CRT red. I at has given here 150 ohms resistor you need to place it. This is to near to the PCH. Okay, so next what you have to do, here that I told you HDMI, I at here 2.37 resistor R116, this one for LVDS BS. See for I you need to place it, if it is not present then you need to place it. This is for LVDS. And next this capacitors I told, this one also I told, this is for CRT that RBG blue color. Next this one is clock. See here what you have to do is you need to replace this 10K from year to year. Replace in the sense you are removing this E at, okay, you are placing Intel. That is a common thing. Here is the clock. Okay, next this one, it's a graphics conversion DGPU present. I already informed you, it's UMA. If you search you will get. Here I these capacitors you need to add. See next in simple manner I'll tell you, this one I at here 0 ohms resistor you have to add, means 1.8 volts it will go to this LVDS section. See the main common thing is LVDS, HDMI and CRT. Next here, see one common thing I'll tell you, which one we have to shift. In that video you have seen, right, we have to shift something. Why? This one we have to remove and here you have to place it. That's it. Here what, 2.2K resistor, if it is present 100% it will be present because it's a graphics one. We need to shift it to Intel one. See this one is external, here is the internal. Display directly it will go to here. So in this condition you need to put this resistor. Okay, because this display on has to go, that's why. Okay, next here this, see network resistors, in that video we have seen some network resistor, we need to replace it. Why? This one is internal transmitter, out positive negative, and here is the external one. This one is what, the value here is not given. Okay, anyway this resistor, this network resistor we have to shift here to here. Here we have to put from here. these four registers, E at is there, no? You have to replace it to here. That's it. Okay. Next, here see I. Here we have to shift this 0 register to here. Then this one will work here. And next here to here. Okay. So next here I at capacitor we have to place it. Next same thing. See what I am going to tell. Those things is common. Here is the clock. I we have to put this resistors 0 ohms resistors. Next I at this L2, L3, L4 you have to place. Next I at 0 ohms you have to place 0 ohms, 0 ohms. So like this you have to replace. See here one common thing is you have to replace from here to here because E external, I internal. Okay, this is for CRT RGB one. Okay, like this you have to do the graphics conversion. This is the top secret for beginners. If you are expert, there will be no top secrets. Okay. If you want more regarding this kind of conversions, so please put it in comment box. So I will try to do the video for those conversions also. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.